What machine do you need for setting up a small-scale groundnut oil processing plant? 6 key machines for you. The first one, Groundnut Shelling Machine. Shell has no oil content, and when pressing, it can absorb oil to lower down the oil yield. If your raw material is groundnut with shell, you must have a shelling machine. It can not only husk, but also separate kernel and shell at the same time. No shell equals no waste. The second one, Oil Seeds Cleaning Machine. Here, you need 3 equipment: vibrating screen, magnetic separator, and destoner to remove different impurities from the groundnuts. Clean oil seeds equals high oil yield, so oil seeds cleaning machine is necessary. The third one, drum roaster. Drum roaster is often used to cooking oil seeds. Roasting groundnuts to increase moisture and temperature can make the oil with rich flavor and improve oil yield. The fourth one, oil presser. Screw oil presser is used to squeeze the oil out of the roasted groundnuts. After pressing, you will get crude pressed groundnut oil and groundnut pressing cakes. The fifth one, oil filter. A vacuum filter or plate and frame filter press is used to remove impurities from the crude oil. After filtering, you will get the final products, clear pressed groundnut oil. The sixth equipment, screw conveyor. If you want to saving labors and improve the production efficiency, the screw conveyor is necessary. It can transport the raw materials into cleaning machine, drum roaster, and oil presser automatically. Remember, high efficiency equals high profits. Okay, that is the whole equipment for small-scale groundnut oil processing plant. As they're low investment, small operational footprint, they are very suitable for small business and farmer investors. If you want to serve local communities with unrefined pressed groundnut oil, contact us now.